I have plus past participle is used to say that you have completed an action in an unspecified time in the past. Examples: I have finished reading this book. I have sent my report to the manager. I have cleaned my room so you can now sleep over. I have called my mother several times today. I have visited Korea many times. I have built a small doghouse for my pet dog. I have participated in the leadership training, so I can be an effective leader. I have helped them in one way or another, and that's enough. I have gone to the seminar. I have enjoyed the party. I have plus past participle is also used to talk about an experience in the past wherein the time it happened is not important or not given emphasis. Examples: I have been to a lot of Asian countries. I have tried different foods from many countries. I have watched some Steven Spielberg movies. I have designed a gown for her. I have driven a BMW car and I felt euphoric. I have mingled with famous personalities during the party. I have gone bungee jumping in Australia. I have ridden a cable car in Hong Kong. I have sold expensive jewelry to the First Lady of America. I have tried skinny dipping in Bali.